Beauties, so today we're diving into a review I've been super excited to share, the ColourPop 1111 palette. So not only does the name 1111 speak to me on a spiritual level, like hello angel numbers, the shades in this palette are seriously stunning. So let's get into the swatches, a quick look, and my honest thoughts on whether it's worth adding to your collection. So first things first, let's talk swatches. So the palette has a mix of dreamy shimmers and versatile mattes, perfect for creating that everyday soft glam or something a bit more dramatic. So the pigmentation is rich but not overwhelming. You get that beautiful color payoff without worrying about fallout all over your face. The shades blend like butter, which we love. Starting with the top row, we have Total Angel, which is a metallic icy white, Manifested, which is a metallic soft gold with silvery pinpoints, Good Thoughts, which is a matte camel, and lastly Balance, which is a metallic champagne taupe. Onto the middle row. So first we have Protection, which is a matte pinky nude, Major Change, which is a metallic taupe, Reflect, which is a pearlescent glitter. It's a warm bronze with silver, gold, and coppery glitter. And lastly, we have Lucky Babe, which is a matte soft taupe. And finally, the bottom row. First we have Perfect Harmony, which is a matte plummy taupe, Bright Path, which is a matte warm brown, Empowered, which is a matte true brown, and lastly Divine, which is a matte sparkly rich black and brown with silver pinpoints. Alright, let's get into this quick look. I'm going to start by blending Good Thoughts into the crease for a soft warm transition. Deepen the outer corner with Right Path to add some dimension. And for the lid, I'm going to apply Balance to give that beautiful shimmer. I'm going to finish with Total Angel in the inner corner to brighten the eyes. So is the ColourPop 1111 palette worth it? For me, it's an absolute yes. So the shades are beautiful, the formula is easy to work with, and it just fits into my daily routine. But if you're someone who already has a ton of neutral palettes, you might feel like this one is more of the same. However, if you're a sucker for warm, romantic tones like me, you probably fall in love just as hard as I did. So one thing to note, ColourPop palettes are affordable, but you don't always get a mirror, which might be a downside for some. Personally, I don't mind because the quality makes up for it, but it's something to keep in mind if you're always on the go and need that mirror in your palette. All right, beauties, that's it for today. Have you tried this palette? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep shining, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.